Did you know a grandmotherly woman spent 60 years stealing millions in diamonds from the world's most exclusive jewelry stores? Doris Payne was the most successful jewel thief in history. Her weapon wasn't a gun or lockpick, it was charm. Payne would walk into Cartier, Tiffany, and other luxury stores dressed like a wealthy customer. She'd try on expensive jewelry while chatting with staff about her grandchildren or the weather. Then, during the confusion she carefully created, she'd walk out wearing $100,000 pieces. For 6 decades, she hid stores across 6 continents, from New York to Paris to Tokyo. Police arrested her dozens of times, but juries took one look at this sweet old lady and refused to convict her. Even as security cameras improved and alarm systems got smarter, Payne adapted her methods. She never stopped. At age 86, police caught her trying to steal a $2,000 necklace. When asked why she kept stealing, Payne smiled and said it was the only job she'd ever known. Some criminals never retire.